Today I will be showing you how I made this simple looking tabletop. It's not a difficult job, but you need the right materials and just a bit of technical knowledge. The main material for this project will be 2 sets of plywood, just big enough for a table that fits into the bedroom. I made a record for the list of materials that I use for this project. I'll give the link in the descriptions in case some of you are interested. I have another set of plywood in the same dimensions, but this one will be cut for the frames. These are the list of pieces for the frames. Now, attach the frames to the plywood using wood glue. Then clamp the frames for better contact. Once everything is set, go ahead and attach the other set of plywood to the top of the frame. And don't forget to climb it as well. Since I didn't have enough clamps, I have to use any heavy stuff to put on top of the plywood. And left overnight to dry. Luckily, the glue held pretty good and it's quite sturdy. Next, it's time to put this wood pattern sticker on top, but I suggest using a thick one because it's more reliable. But if you don't have enough budget, a cheap one and thin will do the trick. Just be careful when applying them. Spread the glue across the plywood as even as you can to avoid bubble when applying the sticker later. Remove the excess sticker, but I suggest leaving just a bit. For the sides, I'll be using the ABS edging, which you can find cheap on hardware store. I put the table on its side so that the ABS edging will be pushed by its own weight, meanwhile applying it on the other side. When it's done, it looks surprisingly better than I expected. Next one will be the leg. I took it from the old table, but you can easily get it from IKEA for about $4 each. mark the area that needs to be drilled, then attach the leg accordingly.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
And that's basically it. It's not perfect of course, but it's good enough for personal use. It turns out to be better than I expected, especially the wood pattern on top. It looks really good when you put PC or books on top of it. I think that's all for today's project. Tell me what you think in the comment and thank you for tuning in.